Hello class, today we are going to start with the second chapter. After the structure of flower, now we start with the stamen. Stamen, the microsporangia, on which part we have to focus more. So over here, stamen, that consists of filament and anther, okay? And over here it is microsporangia. Microsporangia means where the male gamete of the plant will be formed. Over here, Microsporangium, the structure of it is bilobed, and it is dithecous. Dithecous, theca means layer, and it is tetrahedral in nature. The three terms you must remember: bilobed, okay. Bilobed क्यों है? Because if you see the anther, that is bilobed, dithecous because of the layer, and tetrahedral because of the four corners, okay. Now, the structure of Microsporangium. Structure of Microsporangium is that part of the plant where all the ploidy are present. Ploidy means haploid, diploid, polyploid. Every ploidy will be present over here. This is the only part of the plant. Now we come to the detailed structure of this Microsporangium. As I have told you that it is tetrahedral. So today we are going to study about one part which is same on the four corners. So the first is this, that is epidermis. That is epidermis. Epidermis is diploid. After that they will be endothecium. Endothecium are generally thick walled cells which are present. These are called as endothecium layer. This is also diploid in nature. After endothecium presents the tapetum. Is the tapetum, which is polyploid. Next, after that, inside is present is the microspore mother cell, which is again diploid. Microspore mother cell which will undergo meiosis and which will form microspore. Microspore which is haploid in nature. These are the layers of the Microsporangia, and the questions generally which comes in CBSE board examination are there. What are the layer? What is the ploidy? ये 3 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन आता है, ठीक है. पहले तो नेम बताना है और फिर उसकी प्लॉइडी भी बतानी है, ठीक है. एपिडर्मिस is the outer layer. It is generally thin walled cells and which is diploid in nature. Second is the endothecium, which are thick walled cells. Okay. Next, after that is the tapetum, which is polyploidy in nature. I will tell you the reason why it is so also. Polyploidy. Polyploidy के बाद अंदर यहाँ present होगा microspore mother cell, which is diploid in nature. Microspore mother cell after meiosis is going to give rise to microspore, which is haploid in nature. ये polyploidy क्यों होती है इधर? Polyploidy इसलिए होती है because it provides nutrition to the microspore mother cells. Secondly, अभी हम tapetum का जब हम डिटेल स्ट्रक्चर पढ़ेंगे तो यहाँ पर tapetum 2 टाइप्स की होती है. एक होता है secretory tapetum, एक होता है absorptive tapetum. Secretory और absorptive tapetum, the difference between the two lies on the basis of the nature of the nutrition it is providing to the microspore mother cell. Either it is going to dissolve itself and either it is going to release the cell. ठीक है. Polyploidy में there will be more number of nucleus present per cell, and so what will be there? More nucleocytoplasmic ratio ज़्यादा होगा. Nucleocytoplasmic ratio ज़्यादा होगा, nutrition ज़्यादा होगा, and that nutrition it is given to the microspore mother cell. Okay. So this is the basic fundamental of the ploidy nature of the tapetum. It also provides protection to the microspore mother cell. Okay. Microspore will be haploid because after meiosis from one microspore mother cells, 4 microspores are formed that are haploid in nature. Okay. Now next question, which और किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं? टपेटम के बारे में शॉर्ट नोट आ सकता है, इसकी पॉलीप्लॉइडी का रीजन क्या है, व्हाट इट इज सो, व्हाट आर द लेयर्स ऑफ द माइक्रोस्पोरेंजियम, ड्रॉ द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ माइक्रोस्पोरेंजियम, एंडोथीसियम, एंडोथीसियम का फंक्शन क्या होता है? एंडोथीसियम जो यहाँ पर है, जो मैंने आपको दिखाया और मैंने आपसे कहा कि 4 कॉर्नर्स में इट विल बी द सेम, it will be the same, but at few regions it will not be present. Those regions are these. क्यों? क्योंकि जब pollen grain है, pollen grain mature हो जाएगा, so for pollination it has to dehisce. Dehisce का मतलब होगा यहाँ पर कि वो release होगा, it will burst and it will release. Endothecium thick walled cells हैं, thick walled cells होंगे, so rupturing में there will be a problem. So that is why it is not present over here, and these two regions are called as Stamen. ठीक है, that is an extra thing, leave it out here. But endothecium, one single line, because as in NCERT you have to study every word by word. So over here main thing is that which cell is not present on the whole of the microsporangium, that is endothecium, which is not present. ठीक है, एपिडर्मिस पूरे उस पे प्रेजेंट होगा. ठीक, माइक्रोस्पोर मदर सेल जो मैंने बीच में राउंड बीच में दिखाया, ये 4 कॉर्नर्स पे प्रेजेंट होगा. ठीक है, टपेटम विल आल्सो सराउंड दिस माइक्रोस्पोर मदर सेल ओनली. सो दिस इज द डिटेल्ड स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ माइक्रोस्पोरेंजियम. इफ एनी क्वेरी, most welcome. I hope so it must be helpful to you. Thank you class.